Okay, so our white flour is ready. We'll add 2 eggs and a little bit of salt and oil in it. So we'll make a dough. Let's start. So next up we start by chopping some vegetables and essentials that you put in. So let's leave that aside. So we have the minced meat. Let's make a bit of hole there. Add the yolk of egg. Okay, so we'll add the minced garlic and ginger, also black pepper, salt, Agina, pinch of sugar, garlic and ginger pasted again, and wine and some oil. So mind you guys, before some of you might go and start judging me, I don't eat non-veg. It's been 5 months. I've turned into vegetarian, but then yeah, I'm making this for my grandparents. So next up we are making the wonton wrappers. Ready to go. Kasta bhayo चाहिँ यहाँहरु भनिदिनु How was it?